Welcome back to the Yummy Vibes. Today we are going to make a delicious fruit custard but without using any custard powder. So let's begin. Start by adding a few strands of saffron into a bowl and then pouring some warm milk and let it soak. In the blender jar add 1 cup makhana, 1 cup cashews, handful of soaked almonds, 4 cardamoms, soaked saffron and a small pinch of turmeric for natural color. Finally pour in 1 glass of milk and let this soak for 2 hours. Then add some honey to taste and blend it into a smooth creamy mixture. This is our healthy custard base. Now for the fruit tray, take chopped mangoes, apples, strawberries, muskmelon, grapes, blueberries and pomegranate. Drizzle some honey over the fruits for natural sweetness. Just look at the colors, it already feels like a celebration. Mix all these fruits thoroughly and then pour in the creamy custard you just prepared. Gently mix everything so the custard coats all the fruits well. Top it off with some tutti frutti and chopped pistachios, and your rich, creamy, healthy fruit custard is ready to enjoy without preservatives. Before we end here, there are a few reasons why you should definitely try this. It is an healthier alternative to a store bought custard powder with zero preservatives. Makhana is rich in protein and good for digestion. Cashews add natural creaminess and healthy fats. There is no added sugar, we are using honey instead. Turmeric and saffron give a natural glow and boost immunity. And last but not the least, it's completely kid friendly and a great way to sneak in dry fruits. If you enjoyed this healthy twist on fruit custard, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Yummy Vibes for more feel good recipes. See you in the next one.